Hello everybody, GoProBlast 9000 here with my friend, Alan. Say hi.
Hi.
So, you're going the wrong way. Okay, so today, this is just a vlog, whatever. Today we were walking around and we stumbled across this, a possum. The baby possum, well, I don't know what it is. The possum is too little to be on its own. It's not even a teenager yet. Its mom is supposed to be with it. I guess its mom died because we're here in Stockton. Possums die a lot, usually on the side of the road. But this little guy, we found him. We're about to cross the street, and I said no because there's cars coming. I stopped the cars, and we decided to keep him. My mom's getting goat's milk. Hey, buddy. Yeah. And I found him. Me and him found him. And it was pretty fun.
We thought it was a rat.
Yeah, he thought it was a rat.
That was Leroy. I said,
ow, why you bite me?
I said it was.
Why did you bite me, buddy? It doesn't hurt. They don't have good bites.
Hot.
Look.
You're a bastard.
He shall hang on my tail. Oh, you're gonna fall off. You did it wrong. But connect to my... Connect. Oh, he's not connecting. Do it. Hurry up. For the video. There we go. He's hanging. Woo, possums do this all the time. Well, he's a little baby. As you see, he bit me, but it didn't hurt because he's a baby. And put him back. I actually have the sweater on. Only reason I have it is for him to go and do it. Come on, I'm your mom. Go in the pouch. Because they're supposed to be like that. See? He will try to crawl in. Come on. He goes in. And he will fall asleep really good. Well, I'm just telling you, update to my videos. And so, we just vlog. I just wanted to say that. So put comments in the video. What should I feed him? Because my mom went out to go get goat's milk. Just tell me about them, about possums. And yeah, see you. Bye. See you later. Bye, guys.